Previously, we have seen about symmetries. Then we'll solve some problem by using the symmetry concept. Here I am giving you one problem and as I am asking you to find out the Fourier coefficients and obtain the Fourier series expansion, which is trigonometric Fourier series expansion for the below rectangular waveform, and it is periodic and the time period is T. Time period is T. And the signal is in the graphical representation. Now represent in terms of functional function. X of t is equal to 0 for minus t by 2 less than or equal to t less than or equal to minus t by 4, and a between minus t by 4 less than or equal to t less than or equal to t by 4, and 0 for t by 4 less than or equal to t less than or equal to t by 2. And for easy computation, consider the waveform between minus t by 2 to t by 2. The waveform between minus t by 2 to t by 2, and the limits will be, and the integration limits will be minus t by 2 to t by 2 because over one period. Then now which kind of symmetry it is exhibiting is the question now. And observe for even symmetry, observe for odd symmetry, half wave symmetry and quarter wave symmetry. And this is the portion and it is a mirror image symmetrical about the y-axis. Obviously the particular rectangular kind of signal is exhibiting the even symmetry. And in the even symmetry, which term is there and which term is not there? A0 will not be 0 and AN will not be 0 and BN is equal to 0. Okay. Among three Fourier coefficients, you no need to calculate the BN, only you have to calculate the A0 and AN. What about A0 formula? A0 is equal to 1 by t integral over 1 period minus t by 2 to t by 2 and x of t dt. And one simplification here I will apply. Did you remember this formula? Minus a to a some function x dx. Then its equivalent is 2 times of 0 to a x dx. By using that, it will be 2 by t integration 0 to t by 2 x of t dt. And now use the functional representation. Between 0 to t by 2, what about your signal nature? Observe. The signal is present only from 0 to t by 4, not up to t by 2. Up to t by 2, the signal is 0. 0 to t by 4 only the amplitude value A. That's why consider only up to 0 to t by 4. Even if I consider from t by 4 to t by 2, the signal is 0. No need to evaluate. And amplitude is A dt. A dt, which is 2 by t, and A is the constant outside. Integration 0 to t by 4 and 1 dt. And 1 to a by t, and which is t, integration of 1 is t, and apply the limits t by 4. Then 2a by t, substitute the upper limit t by 4 and lower limit 0. Then t and t gets cancelled. You got the A0 value as 1 by 2. And next AN value you have to calculate. Again use the simplification. 2 times of 0 to t by 2 x of t cos n omega naught t dt. Then 4 by t, and again the signal exists only from 0 to t by 4. with the amplitude x of t. A cos n omega naught formula 2 pi by t into t dt. A outside 4a by t integration 0 to t by 4 cos n 2 pi by t into t dt. 4a by t integration of cos is sin 2n pi by t by 2n pi by t and apply the limits t by 4. Now 4a by t and this t by 2n pi then substitute the limits sin 2n pi by t at the place of t you have to write t by 4 and the lower limit sin 0 0 and do the simplifications if any. T gets cancelled and 2 1s and 2 2s. Here you got 2a by n pi and even the simplifications if any do that. T you got here sin n pi by 2. As you got the sin n pi by 2, we need to check the sin n pi by 2 value for various n values. For even n, for odd n, we have to check. Let us check with n is equal to 2. Then what about sin n pi by 2 value? Sin 2 pi by 2, sin pi 0. Then sin 4 pi by 2, which is sin 2 pi sin 360 degrees again 0. So that I can confirm for all even values of n, sin n pi by 2 will give us 0. For that case, an is equal to 0 for all even n. You can confirm here. Then let us check for the odd values of n. For n is equal to 1, sin pi by 2, sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. Next, for n is equal to 3, sin 3 pi by 2. That I can write as sin pi plus pi by 2. Did you remember all silver teacups? 180 plus means which quadrant? Third quadrant. In the third quadrant, only tan and cot will be the positive. Remaining will be negative. That is minus sin pi by 2, which is minus 1. Here, for the odd case, for n is equal to 1, I got 1 value. For n is equal to 3, I got minus 1. This will be repeated for n is equal to 5, 9 and so on. This is going to repeat for n is equal to 7, 11 and so on. My Fourier coefficient will be 2a by n pi. For whom? For n is equal to 1, 5, 9 and so on. Minus 2a by n pi will be for n is equal to 3, 7, 11 like that. And 0 for all even n values. Now let us expand our trigonometric Fourier series. A naught value we got as a by 2 plus n is equal to 1. I got 2a by pi as the coefficient. Only cos terms will be present. Cos omega naught t. And what about n is equal to 2? The value is 0 and there is no sin term. Even for n is equal to even also, the an value is 0. No need to substitute. And for n is equal to 3, next, it is the minus value, minus 2a by 3 pi cos 3 omega naught t. Next, n is equal to 4, 0. N is equal to 5 plus 2a by 5 pi cos 5 omega naught and so on.